while the anticipated surge to $100,000 for Bitcoin and the resurgence of altcoins reminiscent of 2021 have not materialized yet, the recent market movements indicate progress towards these goals. Hi, this is Jane for this week's CryptoTunities Fireside Chat. Despite Bitcoin's modest 4% rise and Ethereum's 3% drop, other altcoins experienced mixed performances, with notable gainers like Pepe, Floki, Akash Network, and losers like Notcoin, Athena, Wormhole, and WorldCoin. Macro trends are aligning favorably, with inflation reports showing a decline, leading to increased bets on rate cuts and lower treasury yields, which typically boost risk asset prices. Bitcoin's technical indicators are also bullish, supported by strong moves off its moving averages and positive signals from the Relative Strength Index and Moving Average Convergence-Divergence line. On the microeconomic front, VC funding for crypto startups is rebounding, particularly in Professor Coin's projects, indicating growing legitimacy in the space. Moreover, the narrative around tokenization and gamification is gaining traction, offering significant value propositions by leveraging blockchain technology to create liquid markets around real-world assets. Despite concerns about investor boredom due to the lack of post-halving surges, historical patterns suggest that crypto markets typically surge about 2 months after halving events. Additionally, VC funding trends and the emergence of projects led by academics underscore the continued growth potential in the crypto space. Whale accumulation. According to Into the Block, Bitcoin whales, addresses holding more than 1,000 BTC, have accumulated approximately 250,000 BTC since the ETF approval. This accumulation has brought whale balances back to pre-FTX collapse levels, indicating a restored confidence in the market. Market confidence. The recent accumulation by whales suggests increased confidence and demand, particularly from large institutions, driven by the SEC's approval of spot BTC ETFs. These ETFs provide a regulated and accessible way for institutional investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin. Impact on Bitcoin price. Whale activity, which can significantly influence asset prices, is seen as a bullish signal for Bitcoin. Despite a recent surge from 61,000 to over 67,000, Bitcoin's price has stabilized around 67,170, marking a 10% increase over the past week. This whale accumulation signals potential positive momentum for Bitcoin's price moving forward. Vitalik Buterin outlines improvements for Ethereum's decentralized future. Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin has proposed several enhancements to improve the network's permissionlessness and decentralization. Buterin's proposals aim to address key challenges in Ethereum's decentralization and participation. He suggests minimizing miner extractable value (MEV) through MEV-free alternatives and role separation, easing staking barriers by reducing hardware requirements, and promoting decentralized pools, and enhancing network decentralization by implementing storage-reducing technologies for nodes like Verkle trees and EIP 4444. These measures seek to foster a more inclusive and robust Ethereum network infrastructure. Tether CEO hints at development of global P2P financial markets. Terminal. Tether CEO Paolo Ardoino has suggested that the company may invest heavily in creating a global peer-to-peer P2P financial markets terminal. This initiative aims to decentralize financial market data, reducing reliance on monopolistic intermediaries and enabling exchanges to monetize and control their data. Whale deposits $198 billion to Coinbase, realizing massive profit amid meme coin surge. On May 18, 2024, a notable whale, identified as 0x541, deposited 197.99 billion Shiba Inu tokens, valued at $4.88 million, to Coinbase following a 6-month period of inactivity. This move marks a substantial profit for the whale, who originally acquired these tokens at an average price of 0.00844468. Phantom price continues to shine. What's behind the latest surge? Phantom's recent surge, driven by a 26% price increase over the past week, is attributed to anticipation surrounding the Sonic upgrade. This upgrade aims to enhance scalability and technology without requiring a hard fork, with the introduction of the Sonic network and token migration contributing to investor confidence and excitement. Bitcoin is currently holding at $67,000, reflecting a 10% gain for the month, but analysts warn of a possible 10% price drop ahead. Key resistance levels at $66,500 and $67,800 are noted, with differing opinions on potential outcomes. One suggesting a minor drop could continue the upward trend, while another predicts a dip to $59,000 to $60,000, cautioning against possible altcoin declines. Traders are advised to stay vigilant amidst mixed market sentiment and looming resistance levels. UK shuts down crypto advisory firm for misleading investors and poor financial records. Genesis gets court approval for $3 billion repayment plan. Genesis Global Capital, a bankrupt crypto lender, has been granted court approval to implement a $3 billion repayment plan to creditors, excluding its parent company, Digital Currency Group, DCG, from recovering any value. The plan, approved by Judge Sean Lane of the U.S. Bankruptcy Court, aims to repay customers at least 77% of their deposit values, with DCG's objections dismissed on the grounds of their status as junior creditors. The court emphasized the plan's reasonableness and appropriateness, prioritizing payments to state and federal regulators over DCG's claims. Why altcoins are the best investment for now? Taz suggests looking at altcoins now due to their anticipated strong bullish performance in the coming months. He attributes the recent decline in altcoins against Bitcoin to factors like delayed network updates and Ethereum's struggles, leading to a disruption in the typical bullish cycle. Taz views this period as an investment opportunity, akin to buying Bitcoin at $3,700 in early 2020, and anticipates substantial profits during the upcoming bull run, especially if Ethereum's bullish trajectory resumes. Coinbase ventures into Australia's $600 billion pension market. With tailored crypto services, Coinbase aims to enter Australia's $600 billion self-managed pension sector, responding to the increasing demand for crypto investments among these funds, which currently hold nearly $664 million, $1 billion, in cryptocurrencies. World Bank to issue CHF digital bond. Settled using Swiss franc. Central bank digital currency. The World Bank will issue its first digital bond on June 11th, worth CF $219 million, settling with Swiss franc wholesale CBDC from the Swiss National Bank, SNB, and listed on both the SIX Digital Exchange and the SIX Swiss Exchange under Swiss law. Analyst, Solana to reclaim $200, many new crypto 8s soon. Daniel Chung predicts SOL hitting $200 and expresses optimism for BTC and altcoins like AKT, MKR, and TAO, noting increased demand for blue-chip meme coins and potential in sectors like Solana ecosystem and CryptoXAI, while cautioning about Ethereum's demand and interpreting Phantom Wallet's rise as a positive for SOL, but possibly indicative of market peak, alongside Coinbase's position. Flow, a crypto researcher, found that 80% of new altcoins listed on exchanges like Binance experienced an average 80% decline in value over 6 months, with only a few exceptions like Ordinals, Ordai, and Dogwifhat, Labuef, indicating widespread underperformance and manipulation, often due to inflated initial valuations and lacking genuine user bases or community support. BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust, a spot Bitcoin ETF, has attracted 414 institutional holders in under 3 months, earning praise from Bloomberg's Eric Balchunas for its rapid institutional adoption, while its holdings of 276,190 BTC valued at over $18 billion, coupled with significant daily inflows, highlight growing institutional interest in cryptocurrency. Endorsed by BlackRock CEO Larry Fink, as IBIT emerges as the fastest-growing ETF. Floki Inu, Floki, a meme-inspired cryptocurrency, has seen a surge in popularity and price over the past week, driven by increased futures open interest and daily trading volume, although concerns linger regarding short-term speculation indicated by the Chaikin money flow indicator. Ripple's Q1 2024 market report highlights XRP's surging trading volumes across centralized and decentralized exchanges, with spot volume reaching $2.93 trillion and derivatives volume hitting $9.1 trillion, while average daily volumes rose by 40% to 865 million, and on-chain transactions doubled to $231.3 million, indicating increased adoption and technical advancements on the XRP ledger. The total value locked in DeFi protocols has surged by $11.89 billion over the past 35 days, nearing the 100 billion milestone and reaching 94.93 billion as of May 18, 2024, with Eigenlayer leading the increase by 19.67%, while Lido Finance retains its position as the largest protocol with 29.21 billion locked, reflecting renewed confidence in the DeFi sector. The U.S. Senate's bipartisan vote to repeal the SEC's ZABE 121 rule, seen as a victory for the crypto industry, reflects growing acceptance of cryptocurrencies, despite potential uncertainty from President Biden's possible veto, with industry players viewing it as progress towards regulatory clarity. Over the last month, Cardano ADA whales possessing between 100 million and 1 billion ADA have augmented their holdings by 11%, representing 6.71% of Cardano's total supply, indicating a growing confidence in ADA's potential for a price surge. Until next week, this is Jane from the CryptoTunities team signing off. We'll catch you in our live trading room. Bye now.